Hi there, I'm Sean Ryan, the co-founding director of Young Actors Theater Camp. The film that you are about to watch was created at the Young Actors Theater Camp. If you like what you see and you want to make a movie with us, check out all the links below. Enjoy the film.
So, Max, are you excited for your date with Amy?
I have all wages stress. Why must you make me start now?
Better out than in, I always say.
She means your nerves. Though it works for puke, too.
Sorry, don't know where they came from.
Just hold your breath. Always works for me.
Yeah, it's probably because you ate too fast.
Bye.
Max, you're out! Carly, you're in!
Guys, I don't know what to do. They won't go away. It's been 48 hours. Do I need a doctor? We need a plan. What about my date? Do I need to go to the hospital? I swear!
You need to calm down. Try to stop panicking.
My mom always said to bite on a lemon when I had the hiccups. Let's try that.
Fine, I'll go get a lemon from the cafeteria.
Don't worry, nobody's ever met their demise as a result of singletus.
Singletus?
I really gotta stop doing your science homework. It means hiccups.
I feel like I'm shriveling up from the inside out.
Here you go, buddy. Eat up.
Do I do something special?
Take a good chunk out of it and suck on the juice, then swish it in your mouth for at least 5 seconds and swallow.
The worst one I've ever had my whole life.
We need a new plan.
And we need it now.
What if we scared the crap out of him?
Oh, yes. Text him to come here, and then I'll pop out of the corner like this.
Absolutely not. We'll handle this. Okay?
Kid, you okay? The coach will like cut you from the team? Ah! What the heck?
Put the bag over your mouth, make a tight seal, and breathe into it.
Max. No. Max.
Hello, little cricket friend.
Isabella, help!
I don't even know why Max didn't just cancel.
You don't cancel on Amy.
He's lucky she even said yes.
You okay?
I'm sorry.
You could do this again if you want, after you've solved your issues.
No, just let me.
Surprisingly, this isn't the worst date I've been on. This one guy took me to see the movie Cats. Now that was scary. Whew. But at least this doesn't have bad CGI.
What?
Are you cured? Worth a shot, Maxwell.
What if this will never end?
Well, I'm involved now. What next?
There must be a solution to this madness.
This only has stuff that causes hiccups, not cures them.
It says here that spice is a common cause of hiccups.
Let's spice him up. Anybody got some sriracha?
That might work. Hear me out. If we take something that causes hiccups and something that cures them, it'd send Max's system into a total shock.
Genius.
Game plan. We get chilies. They cause hiccups. And then we get...
Milk. And Max has to.
Drink it upside down.
For at least 20 seconds.
We'll go get the goods.
Whoa!
Figured we should get two.
Just in case the first one was an epic fail.
Let's boogie. Commence step 1. In 3, 2, 1.
Chili liftoff.
Ready? Step 2.
Milk asteroid. Now.
I can't believe I could be playing video games right now, but here I am.
Start the clock.
Mission status, Captain?
Complete and successful, team.
Next time, don't make this so laborious.